いや、すごい熱気ですね。肌で感じられました。
I've been to a lot of trade shows around the world. This is probably one of the biggest ones I've seen. Yeah, very big.
I'm looking for machines for the tofu production.
They do machines to make money bags, samosas, and things like that. Yeah. The reason that I come here is because I see machines that I don't see anywhere else in the world. So if I want to do something different, I must come here to find the machine I need for the factory.
It
seems to have everything under one roof. So yes, quite impressive.
Very large mix. It's very inhomogeneous so it's a lot of variety altogether. In general, it's a very nice potpourri of so many different aspects in food and beverage instrumentation.
Find some interesting company?
A lot interesting companies, yeah, everywhere.
Actually, we bought some of the machineries that is being here, and we talked to them already. We met them, we discussed things that we would like to develop in the future. I can say that it was a fruitful meeting. Yeah, we get a lot of things.